We'll start off by blanching the tomatoes. Pour some water into a vessel and then add 4 large tomatoes. Remove the eye of the tomatoes and cut an X at the bottom. Let them boil in the water for about a minute or till the skin starts cracking open. Then plunge them into ice cold water. This quickly stops the cooking and gives the tomatoes a bit of a shock that helps loosen the skin. This will enable us to peel off the skin of the tomatoes easily. Add the tomatoes to a blender and blend to a fine puree. Then keep this aside. Now into a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Then add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them for a bit. Then add 2 green chillies that are slit. Continue frying for half a minute. Then add half teaspoon asafoetida or hing and fry for a few seconds. Add the blended tomato puree. Mix it well and let it boil for a while on a medium flame. Then add the spices, half teaspoon each of red chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and finally add some salt as per your taste. Give this a good mix. After a minute or two, add some water as per the consistency or quantity you desire. But make sure not to add a lot of water as we do not want it to become too watery. Give this a stir and then add a small piece of a wedge or chicken cube. This enhances the taste and this is optional. Close the lid and let it boil on a high flame, then remove the lid and add a bunch of chopped coriander leaves and stems into the saar. Give it a stir. Check the taste and add more salt if required. Close the lid once again and let this boil for 2 minutes. Then remove the lid, switch off the flame and give it one final stir. Serve hot with rice and enjoy.